Look what I got. Look, look, look. It's one of those. I know. I know. It's great. I've never used one of these before, so I thought I might just give it a bash. Apparently you just strap this on the top, turn it on, light it, and then you can weld with it. I know, some people you can do cookie things with it, but apparently you're supposed to be able to weld with it if you get the welding sticks. Which I have. Look, these are them. See? So, let's give it a go and see what happens. It's so excited. Ooh, I'm not doing that again.